Hello, good morning, friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sociology with Rudikshit. Today I discuss coronavirus 2020 and 2021 year. Some findings are discussed here to you for COVID-19. COVID-19 started in India in 2020 and COVID-19 spread in India 2021. First time India knows lockdown and second 2021 lockdown implemented again and public demanded. First time 2020 government introduced, public unknown, but this time all public demanded lockdown. COVID-19 came from abroad. Last year, COVID-19 viruses came from abroad, but this time COVID-19 spread local Indians. This time, 2021, spreading local Indians. COVID first wave spread only urban area. Last year, 2020, COVID first wave spread only urban areas, but this time COVID second wave start. It spread urban and rural area. Rural area also affected COVID-19 virus. 2020 COVID-19 is dangerous, but 2021 more dangerous. First wave attack maximum age group of 45 plus. 2020 COVID-19 virus affected in first wave maximum 45 plus age group, but second wave of COVID-19 affected mostly youngster, about 25 to 45 age group. It is very dangerous. First time COVID-19 symptom is cold, cough and fever. First time mention cold, cough and fever, but second wave symptom is cold, cough, fever, diarrhea, no smell, no taste, systematic. Positive recover patient recover in corona positive 19 15 to 20 days, but this time patient recovered 8 to 10 days. Mortality rate last year is still, but mortality rate today increased day by day, increasing. Hot was last year dense slum area. Hottest was dense slum area and post colony. But this time hottest spot open area. All open area are affected COVID-19. Last year spreading COVID-19 is lack of awareness, migrant tourist and come Indian student from abroad. This time COVID-19 is spreading, religious Kumbh Mela in Haridwar, election in 5 states and other states by election, overconfidence and Kisan Andolan, farmer movement run by Ticket. Last year lack of mask, lack of sanitizer in India, but this time neglect mask and sanitizer. Available mask and sanitizer, but public are neglect sanitizer and mask. No proper treatment available in India to 2020, but 2021 proper treatment available, but public not consult any physician. Public self-medicated. So it is very dangerous. COVID virus last year stay on surface, but COVID virus this time stay surface and here also. Last year shortage of hospital and medicine, but this time shortage of bed, remdesivir injection and oxygen cylinder. So I compare the 2020 and 2021 COVID-19 status. First time I say use mask use sanitizer and making social distancing. Stay home, safe home. Thanks.